Greetings! If you want to determine whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Visual Studio, this video is for you. In the Visual Studio, go to the Help menu. Click About Microsoft Visual Studio. The dialog box specifies the version information of the installed Visual Studio. Press the Windows icon and type Visual Studio. Right-click the Visual Studio and select Open File Location. Right-click the VS icon and select Properties. On Properties, click the Shortcut tab. In the Target field, look for the path to the executable. If it contains x86, it's a 32-bit version, else it's a 64-bit. Subscribe for more videos like this.